Hello everyone! For today's video, we're going to make some donuts. Before we start cooking, prepare the following. In a mixing bowl, add all the ingredients together. 2 cups of flour, 1/8 cup of baking powder, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of milk, 1/8 cup of oil, and 2 eggs. Then, mix everything together. I know it is quite sticky, but that's okay. You can also mix it using your hands. Then, cover the dough around 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 to 30 minutes, get a small portion from the dough. You can put some flour to the workplace so that it won't be too sticky. Then, you can flatten the dough until it becomes 1 cm thick. After, we are now going to cut some holes in the donuts. Since I don't have a donut molder, I'm just using a glass and a nozzle tip. After adding some hole in the donuts, deep fry it in a pan. Make sure the oil is already hot. I am wrong in this part. I was too excited that I put the donuts in the pan even if it is not that hot yet. When you can see that it is already cooked, drain it in a strainer. We are going to make 3 flavors right now. A donut that is a powdered sugar above, a glazed donut, and a chocolate glazed donut. So for the first batch, we will just sprinkle some powdered sugar in the donuts. Then, we will now make the glaze. In a bowl, mix together the 2 cups of confectioner's sugar, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then, mix it together. When everything is completely mixed, dip the donuts. For the chocolate glaze, just add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder in the previous mixture. Then, mix it again and dip the donuts afterwards. Tada! We are done with our donuts. Serve it and enjoy. Thank you for watching!